we are going to be transforming these glass plain ornaments into something amazing. So I'm going to place this in front of me in a plastic cup, and I'm opening up a bottle of polycrylic. So I'm just using a little syringe to place this polycrylic inside of the ornament. And now I'm just going to rotate my ornament slowly, letting that fluid cover the entire ornament, and I'm tilting it just a little bit as I'm going. Now I'm just going to give this a light tap. I'm just going to use a little funnel. So just like the polycrylic, tilting a little bit and turning slowly, I want to make sure that every bit of this glass is going to be coated with glitter. Turn it upside down, make sure that the top is getting fully coated. That looks good. Set that aside, and you want to let that dry completely. I make my unicorn horn out of Sculpey clay, so this is the clay that I'm using. Roll your clay into a ball, and then you want to roll it back and forth between your hands into a cylinder shape, and you want to make the tip just a little bit smaller than the rest. Exact same thing with my white. And at this point, I am going to press these two ends together and twist. And you want to just gently twist. Make sure you have a nice point at the top. At the bottom, you want to make sure that this is nice and flat. So this is what my unicorn horn looks like once it's finished. At this point, you want to go ahead and bake this in the oven. Now you want to follow the instructions that come with the specific clay that you're using. Put some hot glue on the bottom of this. I'm just going to stick this onto my ornament. I like to put it as close as possible to the top. Normally this would be hard after you've baked it. Now we're going to start working on our paper flowers. So I have these that I've cut out. This is a paper flower tool, and you can see there's a tiny little slit right here where you can slide your paper in, and it just holds your paper in place so that you can roll it into a flower. And I'm coming down to the center. Now this is what's going to secure everything together. So I'm going to put a little glob of hot glue, and then I'm going to gently release this and put my flower in place. So I'm going to add some glue right there, and I'm going to put my darker flower in the center, a little more glue on the side. And now we're going to work on the ears of our unicorn. So this is the little ears. So cut out 2 of them, and I have cut out a slightly smaller ear out of glitter paper. Now I'm going to bend this ever so slightly, and then I'm going to attach it right here behind my flower. Those are both attached. Now it's time to add on my eyelashes. So I'm just lining it up, make sure that it's centered. So this is what it looks like at the end. You can make these out of any color. Again, the clay can be alternated. Whatever you want to do with these, that's the fun part, is you can really customize them completely. I loved sharing this tutorial with you on Hometalk today. Can't wait to share another tutorial with you. We'll see you soon.